What is up, guys? So I'm here picking up my car, but I gotta load all the parts in it, and this is the block. This is my engine from the Civic I bought, and that's my old engine and trainee, I guess so. So what's happening here is I'm picking up all the parts I need and everything I need from this place, because I guess so they did some fuck shit and started breaking everything. I have no clue what is what, but all I do know is I'm finding random shit for the car. I don't know if I need those. I'm gonna take them. So, the little good Honda here. This is the car, guys. You guys can see the little Honda Civic. It needs the windshield. Well, everything is intact so far with this car. Needs the radio. Oh shit, I had the harness still here. So I just gotta take it from my old Civic. You guys didn't know. This is my old Civic, if you guys remember from videos. Do not miss this thing. I'm gonna take that, actually. I'm gonna need these back door cards. So, I'm gonna go and load. So guys, I got most of this shit off the engine. There's some little things which I really don't know what they are. Like these, I don't know what these are. But I'm gonna take them, throw them in the car just in case, 'cause you never know when you need them. The block is all taken apart, and it doesn't look as bad as I can say. This is the one off my car. This is the one that came out of the car I bought, and the oil pan's cracked somewhere. But he doesn't know if this engine's blown, so I'm looking for that crack, which I do not see it at all. So I don't know if this guy blew the engine, but it has a brand new filter. I took the head off. Actually, let me show you guys the head. It's inside the head. It doesn't look as bad. It's drained of oil though. So keep that on just in case. Well, guys, today was a fail because I was supposed to take those two things home in that car right there. That's my old Civic. That's my new Civic. But this is where they took the engine out. This is the good block. This block I know is good. So this is going to be a donor engine, basically, like, because what they did was they took the head off. I don't think they knew what they were doing, taking the head off, because this is their first time taking it off. And those bolts right there that hold the head in are all missing. So I'm going to need this as a donor's engine. But the block itself, I don't know what's up with this engine. I don't know if it's blown. I did get an offer for $250 to sell it, but I'm gonna need it to put that engine back together. Don't know if I'm gonna rebuild that. Well, it's nothing's wrong with it. I want to build it, but who knows? From what I know, when I bought my Civic, they said the trainee was shot, which I don't care, because I'm gonna need a manual trainee. Because I'm buying a manual shell, so that's trash. Am I missing anything? Air intake, my soda from last time, the four-wheeler, don't need that. See this little thing to the Civic. Here's my baggie when I sold them weed. There's miscellaneous things around here that I'm gonna need, which I don't know why they're throwing stuff around like this. They lost all these parts. Looking around for parts because like there's stuff everywhere. There's a gasket right there. Like, this is garbage, but still, like, throw out your shit. I just cleaned some of their shit up, but don't know if I'm gonna take that spare tire and that tire. I think that's really it. I'm gonna go over here, take a look at my car a little better. Rip. So, what we're gonna have to do to take out of that other car is the radio. I'm gonna take this whole dash piece around it out. Loco shop. I'm gonna have to take a lot of things out of the other Civic out. I'm gonna take the whole center console out because this is broken, that one's not. I'm gonna go over to the other Civic quick. In this Civic, I'm gonna need the tires. I'm gonna need this whole piece, which I can probably take out right now. I'm gonna need the radio. I'm gonna take the center console piece, the gauge cluster, the steering wheel, the door panels, which are sorted out. I don't know how to take them out. I'm gonna search it tonight. Get that coil over, gas cap and battery. I need that because this was mine. That's your tire needs to move. My jewel box. I'm loading this car up, guys. Let me know if I should build the automatic. If not, because I'm looking at buying a shell that's manual for $1,000. But let me know, because the only thing I need to take from the other car is that, some little door trims, the back door trim, because I don't like the gutted interior. But yeah, this is the front of the car. That's under the hood. It's purple for you guys to see. I'm gonna keep the white hood because I fuck with it. It looks brand new. Brand new tires on those two. So this is the head that got rebuilt. Everything looks mint. I'll show you guys when I get back to the house. So I'm gonna work on this and figure everything out. Which I wish that head was off so I can work on this one. But I took this off. Yeah, that's really it for parts. This car came loaded full of shit. So, I mean, I gotta come back for this stuff. There's nothing else I need. I told them I'll clean around, but I can't do that much cleaning. I got a tight schedule. This is all garbage from my Civic. This actually broke. If you guys wondered why my Civic was always slammed, was because that broke, where the fucking coil set wasn't coilovers, there's just stock suspension. This cracked in half, and it was always slammed. Both of them cracked, so I always had a slammed car. Those are garbage. I feel bad for the kid that owned this garage, because this kid fucking brought 2 cars here and filled this place full of garbage. This place was clean. They only had these 2 quads and a tractor. But they fucking ruined this place. Well, not him. The kid that brought the Civic from me. Yeah. Let's see. No more other parts hiding around here. Nothing else hiding down here. I want to make sure I get everything so I don't have to come back again. When I come back, I can just pick the engine up, take the engine with me. Yeah, so next thing we gotta do is where the chain is. There's a chain hooked up over here, and we're gonna pick the engine up, load it into a truck. This didn't seem too heavy when I picked it up before. I picked it up from right here. So yeah, that's his. We put that right here for him. Yeah, that's really it, guys. I just wanted to show you what's going on with the engines, what's up with the cars, what's up with the builds. There's nothing going on with the builds. So yeah, we're gonna be building a D16Y8 turbo build donor engine. The engine I'm building. This transmission over here is coming off, and I'm gonna put a clutch, and we're gonna put a manual transmission on this, and we're gonna have a manual Civic. And let me know down in the comments, should I build the automatic or the manual? I want to build a manual, but if you guys want to see automatic, I don't care. I want a manual. Maybe I'll even buy a manual, build an automatic and a manual. So that's really it, guys. Just wanted to show you around what I got. And yeah, that's really it. I'll see you guys in the next video when we come pick this car up. And